So a times the big bracket and -1 times the big bracket. So if I expand it out, it's going to be a times that whole thing minus 1 times that whole thing. So a times a squared is a cubed, a times a is a squared, a times 1 is a, yep. And then -1 times a squared is negative a squared, -1 times positive a is negative a, and -1 times positive 1 is -1. Now let's gather the like terms. There's a lot of a's, but we can't gather them all together, right? We only need to gather the like terms. So a cubed, there's no other a cubed, so we can't gather them together. A squareds we can. Look, we've got a squared there and an a squared there. And then we've got an a, and we've also got an a here. And that's all the like terms, isn't it? So let's do the gathering. What's a squared minus a squared? Can you guys tell me? It's 0. A squared minus a squared is 0. So they cancel out. And a minus a, again, they cancel out. It's 0. So we're only left with a cubed minus 1. That is the answer. So see how they all cancel out, and it's really nice like that? But what I would do the same thing. A times the big bracket, 1 times the big bracket, like that. So expand it out. A squared is a cubed, a times negative a squared, a times 1 is a. Okay, 1 times a squared is a squared. Now 1 times anything is it's just itself, right? 1 times 2 is just 2. 1 times 100 is just 100. So 1 times this is just as it is. A squared minus a plus 1. Gather your like terms. Now we've got an a cubed, but no other a cubes. We've got a negative a squared. We've also got an a squared here. We've got an a, we've got an a. Now the good thing is they again cancel out. Negative a squared plus a squared, they're the same, but they just have different signs. So cancel out. A minus a, cancel out. They all cancel out. So we just have a cubed plus 1 left. That's the answer.